Where are we?
Where are we again?
This is a fun game.
A fun game?
Yeah, it's got good graphics.